morning, kids class. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So let's start today's chapter, that is microorganism. Microorganism is second chapter of your science book. And what are microorganisms? Microorganisms are too small to be viewed by unaided eye. Means they are very small, they cannot see by naked eye, they can see by microscope. Some example of microorganisms are bacteria, fungi and algae. In this chapter we will learn about different type of microorganisms. If we talk about microorganism, so microorganisms are discovered by a very great scientist, that is Anton van Leeuwenhoek. Anton van Leeuwenhoek was first scientist who discovered microorganisms are tiny organisms that can seen by microscope only. So he observed microorganism under microscope. If we talk about any other scientist who discovered microorganism, that was Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur discovered microorganism present in air. He also aware us about these microorganisms that we have to wash utensils and we have to pasteurize milk before we drink it, because it can contain airborne bacteria or airborne microorganism in it. So if we talk about characteristics of microorganism, they are present everywhere. We can see microorganism everywhere on book, pen, table, air. They are single cell organism, so they are made up of single cell only. They are autotrophic, saprophytic and parasitic. They can make their own food, they can derive from dead material, and they can live in or on body. They are very friendly with us. Some of bacteria, some of fungi or algae are friendly to us and they make a useful substances for us. If we talk about pickles, is a one of that useful substance. So there are many other characters of microorganisms are there. So they are present in air. If we talk about habitat of microorganism, microorganism can be present in air. We cannot see them, but they are in air. They are there around us. They cannot seen by naked eye. So they are also present in soil. Microorganisms are also present in soil. If they are present in soil, they are very useful for plants. They can fix nitrogen for plants, so plant can take nitrogen oxides from soil with the help of that bacteria. The example of bacteria is rhizobium that help soil to intake nitrogen oxide by plant. They are also present in water. Microorganisms are also present in water. For example, amoeba that is present in fresh water, paramecium that is also present in fresh water, and many other microorganisms are also present in water. So they can be harmful or they cannot be harmful for us. Microorganisms are also present in that decaying matter. That plants, that animals around us, we can see them decaying day by day. They are decaying due to microorganism. Yes, they are present in animals. Our pets, they contain a lots of microorganisms with them. Now we have to talk about first type of microorganism, that is bacteria. Bacteria are very small they cannot see by naked eye, they can only observed in microscope. So if we talk about bacteria, तो ये कहाँ पे होते हैं? They are present everywhere, like air, water, soil. If we talk about their shapes of bacteria, so if they are sphere, we will pronounce cocci. If they are in rod shape, we will pronounce bacilli. If they are in spiral shape, they are called spirals. So there you can see different shapes of bacteria, cocci, bacilli and spiral. Except them, there are other shapes like vibrio and commas form. So vibrio is a comma shaped bacteria, that is you can see by in this picture. Globrod and helical form bacteria are also shown in this picture. So there are many different shapes of bacteria occur in our world. So nutrition, अब जो bacteria है, how it take nutrition? There are two types, heterotrophic and autotrophic. Heterotrophic, it take food from decaying matter, saprophytic, parasitic, and autotrophic, it can be photosynthetic and chemosynthetic. Photosynthetic, food by carbon dioxide, sunlight. Chemosynthetic by chemicals. Reproduction, how it reproduce? It can reproduce by dividing their nucleus into two, and then after and at the end they split into two. So they can grow in numbers by splitting into 2, then into 4, then into 8. I hope you understand the complete topic. Thank you so much, class.